I don't I don't even know where to start. This place is just it's it's a mess right now. The whole studio from the art studio. I have bicycles in the studio. I just emptied my storage. Well, one of them, I should say. I still need to empty one other one. Glad to have the sign up. This was made by Vicky Reed, and I just can't even still say thank you enough for your gracious donation and making that. That is beautiful. But really, oh, look at that. We got that back, John. Shout out to John. We got the scooter out. I got this as a Father's Day gift, like my first year being married, and it was what I requested. It was what I wanted, and I got it, and I did it, and that's what it was. But yeah, no, we just have all kind of things all over the place. Um, so I just kind of using this front room as a staging area right now to just we have rehearsals going on. I have a half hour gig that I'm doing in October, and most of the bandmates that I had before, they all live in the South Bay. So I'm putting together some amazing artists up here in the Central Valley to do some of my original work. You know, do the work that I was doing down in the South Bay. You know, what made me, you know, on the kind of circuit back in the day. But it's nice that people want to hear my music, and I got like many shout outs. So we're gonna do like some live sets right here at the art studio. I redid the whole room. Um, and it's not done yet. I mean, this is just like what we're using for like our rehearsal setups, and yeah, so that really works out. And then look at this. I mean, this is supposed to be our radio room, and it is just, man, everything is all over the place. These things need to be set up. Um, that's a whole nother conversation. That's not hip hop and pop and R&B. This is probably pop, hip hop, and R&B from the 16th and 17th century. Um, yeah, I have some complete works of Beethoven, Mozart. Yeah, there's a lot of music. I'm multifaceted, but one music I absolutely love and study more proficiently is classical music, as it's generally called. But there's Baroque, there's Rococo, there's Renaissance, there's different time periods in classical music, and we're going to delve into some of those and um, show how some of that classical music um, has, permeated not only through the centuries, but through the years into pop culture, even in this millennial years. So yeah, so the radio room, the podcast room has been taken over by um, a whole nother vibe. And when you see this room next, you're gonna be like, I can't even believe that's the same room. But the ideas are so flowing in because I have all of my equipment and let me see what's in here. It's all dark in here. Oh my gosh, I forgot about this one. Yes, look at that. Even more memories. All of this stuff has been in storage for many, many years, many, many moons. So we're going to get it taken care of. And yeah, this is a room that I use for filming for YouTube. Specifically, I really like this background. There's some fancy lighting that we do. And yeah, yeah, it's just a good solid room for us to be able to have a consistent look. And even this room, see, look at that paint up there. I mean, painter's tape. Getting ready to make some moves inside of this room as well too, to kind of, you know, make an even better atmosphere for. And this lighting arrangement over here, you guys don't even know what's happening right there. Oh, that lighting is that is so dope. Oh, you don't. I'm not even going into it anymore. But we still have the production room over there. Is getting ready to totally be changed. This is going to be the same. This couch is coming out because we're going to need to make room for the mixing table. So yeah, there's some things happening in this room as well too, and yeah, we're stoked. But man, the place is a mess right now. Just can't wait to get. Oh my God, I can't. We're gonna be riding you right outside there in the back. Got a lot of more art coming up in the bathroom. I will not be turning on the lights in there, but so yeah, full circle right back here to the cooking area. This is where we do our classes for knives and guitar private chefs. When we're doing cutting classes for knife skills, when we're talking about sauces, I teach the 5 French sauces on Zoom. Also do table etiquette as well as how to hire a chef for a tasting or a private dinner. So there's a lot of good information that you can pick up, especially going into the holidays. But yeah, look at this thing. Oh my God. Bicycles should not be in the art gallery, just unless you're painting them. And right now I'm not painting them, but I'm also in the midst of doing projects for school. School started, and I'm finishing my AA in art and probably going to do a BS in or a Bachelor of Arts in Humanities for art history with a religious background, with a emphasis in religious art. So would be my goal. All right, I didn't want to make this more than about 5 minutes, but we're over that. But so just wanted to share with you and get back on and let you guys know that we have a lot of new things coming out. Stay with us. Continue on with the journey at 1111 Media and Art Studio. And peace, love. See you another time.